Hello friends and hello student. In this session we learn the call by value in UDF user defined function in C++. So let us start. I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better my video lecture, and here turbo C++ is there and take some time, and here is now yes open alter F file menu, and here concept call by value. So here we can start directly our IO string dot h input output string, and then we can take like conio dot h console input output. Okay, so that is we can swap two integer value. So call by value, what how it's work? Yes, main, and then we can yes uh, first we can declare our UDF user defined function. So you have to know the prototype first, that return data type, then swap, and two argument. With argument no return value, that type of function is we have to declare. And here we can take x and y value. Okay, and then yes, you can clear the screen, yes, and scan these two value. So here enter x value and cn. You have to know C out and cin is a inbuilt class object. O string and I string, that is a inbuilt class, so we can include iostream.h header file. Okay, and here we can take the y value. Yes, here also we change y, and now you can also print before and after. So here the message, you can say that before swap x and y value is. So here percentage d not required because that is a C++ here in x and some blank and then y. Yes, and then we can call the swap function. So we can pass x and y value. Okay. So now I just copy this line, and again after the swapping we can also print what is a change or not. So let us take, because that is a call by value, that is a not change, and that is a call by value. So if change is, that is call by reference. Okay, so first I can save call by val. Yes, call by val. Yes, that value, not give whole because that 8 character is file name. So enter, and C++ file is saved. Yes, and now definition of our UDF user defined function. Then swap and two parameter integer. We can here take same as x and y, or we can say that a and integer b also. There is no problem. So that is a, you have to know very well, that is a three element of user defined function. So that is a declaration of, we can say that function. Yes, you have to know, and that is a calling of that function, and then xy is a actual argument, and here ab is a formal argument. That is a definition of our UDF. So prototype of definition, return data type, yes, then function name, yes, and then parentheses and list of arguments. So there is a two parameterized. So we can say that body of or the definition of swap function, and here we can take temp variable, and then temp assigned to x, yes, and x we can assign to y, that is to swap, and then y assigned to temp. So that is a swap of integer. So here I just saved and compile this file. Yes, so yes, there is a call undefined variable. So x is y, because we have to define here, that is a scope of. If you declare like here x and y, that is a perfectly way work. Okay, so here we can also give like x and y, so that error is not come so into picture. So let us, error is gone, but we can not give the same name. So here I provide the x and y, we can understand. So that is a, here we can change a, and here A assigned to B and B assigned to temp. So let us check, yes, that swap or not. So yes, that we can give the 10 and 20. So yes, 10 and 20, and then there is not swap. So that is a call by value. So call by value is a that two there are we can say that 8 byte use here xy there is integer data type hold 2 bytes, so x and y there is a hold 4 byte, one x 2 byte for x and 2 byte for y, and also here new variable is declared x and a b, so that is also hold the 2 bytes a and 2 bytes b, so that is total 8 byte, and then after our swap is not possible because that is a scope of life cycle of this AB is complete to here, and after the function call cursor return to here, that previously x and y value is printed. So here our message we have to change like after but not swap, and here we can provide the slash n or and l manipulators is there, so you can also print like I use here and L. So here, okay, so that is a 2. Yes, so you can print, yes, so there is not print after xy value is 10 and 20, and before or after that is swing, but you can print here that is swap, here you can print, I like testing we have to, so here is a AB value is, so that is a swap, yes, let us check. So A and B value. So here we can print A and one line, yes, and then B. Okay. So here we can also print the before and after. So here after we have to use, yes, after AB swap. So that here we can print in initially stage. So that is not a swap. Yes, let us check how it's. So before, yes, so AB, yes, and after. So okay, yes, AFTR after. Yes, now let us check and also provide the yes slash n on and n, that is you can take here slash n, otherwise the concatenation is the same line that print. Okay, let us check, yes, how it's 10 and 20. So look that AB is a swap 10 20 20 10. That is a swap definitely because that is a scope in that UDF. But our main actual argument we can say that XY is not swap because that is a out of scope of that swap function. So that is a we can prove that is call by value. So your some student not understand how call by that meaning is that is a swap or swap, but not call by value that is not swap. So here we can print in UDF swap function that is a definitely swap, but the scope cursor come to here and then XY again we have to print. So that is not a swap. Why? Because that XY is different variable and AB is a different. So I give the not same name XY. So you can confuse. So I give the AB variable. So AB is a now new location, new name, and 2 byte extra provide to AB. So that is a call by value. Call by reference, that is a not we can print in here directly in main. You have to print that variable is a swap. So that is a call by value, not call by reference. In C++, there are two possibilities: call by value using pointer and call by reference with pointer, and call by reference variable. That is a better for pointer also. That is we can use in my upcoming video lecture. But that is a call by value and not swap. Okay. So here you can print in swap function. That is definitely swap AB value, but main function you have to print in XY value, that is a not swap. So I hope you can understand what is a call by value. So that is a holding 8 byte, or after that that not swap, that is a call by value. So that is not a swap over value. So I think you can understand what is a call by value. Okay, so I Now you understand and write this program, that is a call by value. Okay, so write in your C++ notebook, and I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. I just close this file, yes, and Filter X quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture. And